All right, guys, today we are going to talk about starter kits for your trailer.
But that's not what we're going to start out with.
What are we going to start out with?
Do you guys know what today is?
Tuesday. Monday.
Is it Tuesday? No, wrong day. Oh, shoot. Do you remember the lines?
Yes.
What were the lines?
Okay, it's raining really hard outside day.
Raining really hard.
Coming down.
Down. And what goes down must come up. So it's What's Up Wednesday.
What's Up Wednesday.
All right,
that.
you guys.
Okay.
So today, like Troy had just told you, we got this little starter pack for you guys today. And I'm going to go ahead and go with something to start out with that hits a little bit at home with me. And
Be brave.
This is really hard for me. It is.
He had some bad news this morning.
It's been a long day today. So I grew up drinking hose water, and we all know that luscious, just amazing taste of the hose water. Man, I could go for a cup of that right now, but the only problem is why don't you tell us, Troy? I don't think I can continue.
I had to break it to him that there's actually a RV hose that basically makes it to where you don't have the garden hose taste, and you definitely, this is a must-have when you're out camping. And kind of the cool thing about this is what they did is they put a liner inside of these that takes that taste out for you.
Yeah.
And they also take all the harmful chemicals out of there. Did you know that there's bad chemicals that are in those garden hoses? So every time, the reason I let you drink that so much is because, never mind, I can't bring that up. Anyway.
Oh my goodness, that explains why I am the way I am.
Yep, exactly.
Today.
But anyway, so you definitely want one of these, so that way all your hose or your water coming into your trailer is gonna have a decent taste to it.
A nice, good taste.
Yes.
Yeah. So none of that hose water taste anymore. So you could theoretically go to a store and buy a garden hose, but the reason you shouldn't is because, I would, because I love that hose water taste. But if you don't, and you want some nice, clean, fresh water, and these hoses are freaking slick.
What's in your hand?
So the next thing that we got here, well, man, I like to just shove my hose into my trailer and just watch it do its thing, turn it up as high as I want it, and then just watch the pipes burst out of the wall.
Because you like to waste a lot of money.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, and we love to charge him to fix your trailer.
So what this actually is you're gonna take this and either screw it on the end of your hose, or personally, I'd recommend just screwing it into the side of your trailer and just leaving it. Right before you're done camping, take it out, throw it in the compartment. But ultimately, if you want to leave it, you're more than welcome. So this is a pressure regulator. So this pressure regulator, what's she gonna do for us?
Okay, so basically your trailer actually can only handle a certain amount of PSI. And so if you hook into a campground that's got too much PSI, basically all your fittings in your trailer and your plumbing are gonna break on you and burst, and then you're gonna have lots of leaks. So basically this little $5 item right here is designed to regulate the pressure that's actually going into the trailer so that you don't get too much. So you can always have too little, but sometimes too much is not good.
Yeah,
so basically this, and I always, like he was saying, he either screws it onto the trailer, I always just put it right onto the actual hose. Because I'm not very smart, and I'll probably forget this, right?
Yeah, me too. But I just got to go into the next thing, and it's just me doing me, and I got to talk some crap now. So
he's good at talking crap.
It is time to talk some crap.
He is the biggest crap talker I've ever met in my life.
And by crap talk, I mean sewer hoses.
Sewer hoses. Okay, that's a big deal right there.
This is the Rhinoflex brand, and personally, I don't know a ton about this brand, but Troy, you do. So
this is my favorite here. So we sell a ton of these, and for me, it's a little more expensive, but the reason I like this so much is because it's super, super durable. If you accidentally run it over with your trailer tire, you're gonna be okay. You can. It's super flexible, and it's not gonna get lots of crappy water.
Yeah.
Anyway, and it's got a little clear plastic fitting right here, so you can literally see when it's starting to clear out. And that's a big deal for me. That way I know when I've used, or when I've cleaned
You've
it out.
actually cleaned the tank, yeah.
Yep.
So the next thing, in speaking of cleaning tanks, and this is gonna be your do-it-all pretty much. So, you know,
So go camping for me?
you know what, Troy? I'm getting so sick of you. Okay, so these are the bio packs. So my favorite smell is the lavender one that we sell. But these bio packs, they're gonna get in, and they're basically like, they eat enzymes and eat all that stuff that
The smell.
the smell and all that, yeah.
Yeah. So I always tell people this is the difference between a crappy camping trip and a good camping trip, because these are designed just to drop down your toilet, and like he was saying, it helps break up all the material actually in your black tank, plus it helps to keep the smell down. So this is a big deal on here too. Not very expensive as well. And then finally, my business card. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually RV toilet paper. Why do we use RV toilet paper over regular RV or regular toilet paper? Because this is actually designed to break down in the actual black tank.
So you don't do it just to feel special? To feel
No.
like, man, I got that RV toilet paper.
No, but you could use it in your regular toilet at home. But anyway, this actually helps to, this won't clog up in your black tank, and regular toilet paper will. So you definitely want this. And it's a big deal, because if you use regular toilet paper going down there, then when you're going to empty it out with your sewer hose, it's gonna clog up in there. And so this is definitely the only way to go with your black tank.
You know what was one of my favorite things about the RV toilet paper that I've ever seen in my
What?
life? Last year, COVID hits, right? And there was one fella that came in, and I watched grab all of our toilet paper off the shelves in his arms like this, go to the parts counter. And then from then on, for the next year, we couldn't get toilet paper in
Oh
stock.
my gosh, yeah.
So I literally watched one man clean us out. So, but now we have tons and tons in stock. So that little apocalyptic thing ever happens again, come see us for your toilet paper needs.
No, I like it.
And Troy, I think more thing in the basket there, and what is that?
Ba-boom. It's an adapter for your shore power. Yo.
Ooh, that is the icing on the top.
Yeah, so what does this little couple dollar item do?
Well, let me just kind of tell you, I get home with my brand new slick 30 amp toy hauler. I can't plug it into the house.
Why?
But now, oh, well, why can't I? Because I have a 3-pronged connector that doesn't connect. Oh, you know what? I'll just unplug the washer.
Not the same thing.
Oh, okay, my
But
bad.
they're close.
They're close.
They're close.
Okay, I thought they were the same adapters.
Yeah, well they would, but then the RV industry wouldn't be able to charge you for one of these.
Oh, that makes
sense?
sense. That
Okay.
makes sense.
All right.
All right, so we got here the 15 to 30 amp adapter. You're gonna go ahead and take this, shove it right on the end of your power cord, and then
Plug it right into the garage of your house.
literally, so you can charge up your batteries, you can do anything that you gotta do.
Yep.
I think that is such a slick little thing. So before we end this, I gotta say something. I did a video about a year ago, and it was supposed to air out a little commercial style, you know?
Yeah.
Never ended up putting it out, but I wanted you guys to see our Kuma tent, and that is actually what we're in right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that video for you guys real quick, and then we'll hop back to me and Troy.
I think that's a great idea.
Let's go ahead and do
All
that.
right.
All right, super slick little video.
I liked it.
So
I liked
as you
it.
saw in that video, we had a couple people in it, a cooler and all that. You can fit, man, we got a ton of chairs in here.
Yep,
so you can,
we do.
You can fit probably up to, I'd say 10 people with comfort. We had coolers and everything. Wind was hitting us really hard, and man, I thought it was gonna blow away for like 2 seconds, but once you stake it in, and this whole thing pops out, like literally, you pull it out of the bag, and boom, you just grab it and I think you throw it out and it all opens up.
Yeah, I love it.
Super slick. What's
Yeah.
your thoughts on all these?
I like it. I like these chairs. So they actually have really slick chairs, I think. So it's super comfortable. I'm actually sitting in one. He's actually
I got the Kuma
sprawled.
couch here,
Yeah,
so I'm all
sprawled
sprawled out. So I'm having myself a nice.
I kind of feel like we're playing pretend house, right?
Literally.
So,
Well, cheers to that one.
yep. What's up Wednesday? I'm Troy. This is Zach.
And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, you need to click that little bell. So what do they have every morning on Wednesday?
They have an alarm clock that's called a notification.
For What's Up Wednesday. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next Wednesday.